All right, Math 8. So we are going, this is the homework help for Monday. We're going to do equations, okay? So here, in order to get C by itself, we got to get rid of the 9 and the 1. You're going to get rid of all the numbers that are not directly attached by multiplication or division first, okay? So we're going to get rid of this positive 1. The opposite of adding 1 is to subtract it. 1 minus 1 is going to give me 0. So whatever I do to one side of the equal sign, I also have to do to the other side. So again, this is 0, and I'm left with the 9C. So I'm going to bring down the 9C. Then I have 10 minus 1, which is 9. Now I'm going to try to get rid of the 9 that's attached by multiplication. The opposite of multiplication is division, so we're going to divide both sides by 9. 9 divided by 9 is 1C, or just C. 9 divided by 9 is, again, 1. So C in this problem is 1. Okay, let's look at number 2. Again, you're going to get rid of the number that's not directly attached by multiplication or division to the variable. This is a minus 5. The opposite of a minus 5 is to add 5. Whatever I do to one side of this equal sign, I must also do to the opposite side of the equal sign so they can stay equal. Okay, I'm going to bring this equal down. On this side, negative 5 plus 5 is 0. Bring down the 6y. On this side, 7 plus 5 is 12. Now I need to get rid of the 6, which is attached by multiplication. The inverse of multiplication is division. So you're going to divide both sides by 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. So I'm left with 1y, or just the y. Bring down the equal. 12 divided by 6 is 2. So y is equal to 2. If I plug in 2 here, then this side is going to equal to 7, and this side is already 7. Okay? All right, so let's look at number 3. Okay, let's look at number 3. All right, so again, we're working on the side that has the variable. You're going to get rid of the minus 4 first by doing the inverse of subtracting 4, which is to add it. Do that on both sides of the equal sign. We have 8, 9, 10, 11. That's 12. Okay, use your fingers and your toes, okay? Negative 4 plus 4 gives me 0, and I'm left with the 3a over here. 3 is attached to a by multiplication. The opposite of multiplication is to divide. So we're going to divide by 3 on both sides. 12 divided by 3 gives me 4. Bring down the equal sign. 3 divided by 3 gives me 1. So this is 1a, or just a. Okay? Let's look at number 4. Here you're going to get rid of the 9. This is a positive 9, so you're going to subtract 9 on both sides. Get rid of anything you add or subtract first. This is 0, and I'm left with m divided by 5. Bring down the equal. I got 11. Let's see. 10, 11 is 2. All right. 11 minus 9 is 2. This is division. The opposite of division is multiplication. So we're going to multiply by 5, or 5 over 1 on both sides. Okay? When we multiply this side by 5, that's 5m on the top, 5 on the bottom. 5 divided by 5. This cancels out, and I'm left with just the m. Bring down the equal. 2 times 5 gives me 10. So m here is equal to 10. Okay, let's go down and look at one like this. You have a problem that looks like this? This is division. You can't even move this until you move the 4. This is division. The opposite of division is multiplication. So you're going to multiply both sides by 4, or 4 over 1. This cancels out, and we're left with what's on top, the numerator, n minus 31. Bring down the equal. 2 minus 4 is 8. Now we're going to get n by itself by getting rid of the negative 31. The opposite of subtracting, or negative 31, is to add 31. So we're going to add 31 on both sides. This is going to give me negative 31 plus 31 is 0, and I'm left with just the n. Bring down the equal sign. 8 plus the 31, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Use your fingers and your toes. N is equal to 39. Okay? This last one here, move the variables to the same side. Don't forget to do that first. I'm going to move this smaller one. I'm going to subtract 5t to both sides. This is gone, and I'm left with the 42 over here. Bring down the equal. When I subtract 8t minus 5t, that gives me 3t. Then I'm going to divide both sides by 3. You do this. What's 42 divided by 3? Bring down your answer here, and that's going to be t. So make sure you divide and see what you get. All right, so make sure that you complete all the other problems, y'all. Have a very, very, very wonderful and good day. Watch the video again if you need to, okay? Bye.